Welcome! In this episode, FilAmstagram takes you to one of the most beautiful places we've been to in Bohol. A mall. A mall with a beach.
Welcome to Moadto Strip. This is the beach right next to Moadto Strip, which is the mall here on the southwest part of the
Moadto Strip Mall has around 40 shops, many of which have not yet opened in May of 2022 when we were there. We came here just to eat lunch after half a day of action-packed adventures. But what we didn't know is we would be dining next to paradise. By now you're probably asking, is Moadto actually a mall or a resort? The whole place is a resort with a mall inside it that is open to the public. The resort hotel itself is called Modala.
This place, it's amazing. Powdery white sand. Yeah, you can see where the coral reef starts, part of the reef flats here, and slow tide. And the amazing thing is there are no tourists. Almost no tourists. It's amazing. It's like unspoiled beauty. The boats there. And of course it's right after lunch, so the sun's pretty intense. But we're not afraid of sunburn. We're already badly sunburned, so what does it matter?
If you were a nature lover like us, you would surely enjoy the pristine beauty of this beach and the diverse sea life you will find right on the shore.
I found something! What is that, guys? It's a sea urchin! It's a sea urchin!
Still hot. It does tickle.
Yep.
You want to hold it?
Much as she loves animals, Miriam is still scared to hold a sea star.
Huh? I don't think so. Where?
Oh, it's moving! It's moving!
Yeah, that one's very alive.
It's moving.
I think it's a
Starfish! 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 Starfish and fish! Little tiny fish! Starfish! 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 Starfish!
That looks like a starfish.
Starfish! Starfish! I know! It's so many starfish! Starfish! Everywhere you look, there's a lot of starfish! One crab! Yeah.
This one looks like it has an angry face, looking back at us.
It's the perfect field trip for a homeschooler like me.
It's a sand dollar.
It doesn't have the animals I see. This is our first time to see this many crowds working together. They look like an iris tiny aliens or grapes with legs.
They could feel vibrations on the sand, so they started to panic when they sensed us coming. So when we get too near, they disappear into the sand within seconds.
Wow.
Look, that way, look
That
at
is
this.
big.
Look at this, that guy. Hi, baby.
Taking her favorite selfie.
Glad you came. Almost didn't come.
Nice spot.
Touchdown at Moadto Beach on the northwest side of the island, and this area is less touristy than the other beaches that we've just been through, but its call to fame is the sunsets that are unobstructed on this side of the island because there's no other landform that will be in your way. Anyway, it looks like sunset's gonna be a while, but we're not gonna wait for it because we have almost no battery on our cell phone, and someone wants to go home. Someone and wants ice cream.
Okay, let's go, Mira.
But it's a peaceful place if you're on a budget. This is a good alternative. Look at these nice trees overhanging here. Oh, look at that bird hanging out there. Blue skies, blue waters, peaceful, white sands.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Watch out for our next episode.